Nestled in a safe and sequestered Charleston, South Carolina suburb, you'll find 1800 Pierce Street, located in the lovely Heritage Town Home neighborhood on Daniel Island. Thoughtfully planned with a mixture of houses, condos, and townhomes that surround commercial spaces, Daniel Island was designed with the unique atmosphere of a small town with the family-friendly environment. Daniel Island is celebrated for its beautiful parks and public spaces that encompass the entire island. This includes future plans for a new 450-acre park on the tip of the island that overlooks the iconic Ravenel Bridge. Venture to the parkside community of the island and enjoy the nationally ranked Daniel Island Golf Course. Designed by Tom Fazio and Reese Jones, this well-maintained course is home to breathtaking waterfront and low-country landscape views and happens to be one of the top private golf clubs in Charleston. Throughout the island and only steps away from this townhome, residents can enjoy beautiful private pools, offering an opportunity to spend time with neighbors and enjoy the beautiful South Carolina sunshine. One of the many ways to experience the outdoors on Daniel Island is enjoying family circle tennis at the state-of-the-art Park Club tennis courts. A premier outdoor concert venue, the Volvo Car Stadium, is also housed here and is the perfect spot for a night out enjoying some great music. And just blocks away from our townhouse is Daniel Island School, one of the 3 schools of the highest caliber, offering great educational opportunities for children of all ages. No matter what you're looking for in a new home, Daniel Island has something for everyone. You must see it to believe it. Daniel Island, a town, an island, a way of life.